Hello. Welcome to the amazing alpaca farm in Azerbaijan. Get ready to meet these gentle and adorable animals up close. Feed them, take cute photos, and enjoy a relaxing time surrounded by nature. Entry and alpaca feeding. 25 AZN, a small price for a big adventure. Don't forget to check out the souvenirs and gifts available here, perfect for friends and family. Capture every moment and make memories that will last forever. If you love animals and nature, make sure to like this video and follow our channel for more exciting adventures.
Ben de çek. Batsın da görsün.
Ben yerim bile para görseniz. Buradan şey diyeyim.